Hey everyone, today I'm going to break down two essential types of data in geographic information systems, vector and raster. No worries if you're new to this. I'm here to make it super simple. First up, vector data. Imagine you're mapping out a city, but instead of using pixels, you're using points, lines, and polygons. Vectors are all about precision. They use coordinates to create maps that can scale infinitely without losing detail. Think of roads, boundaries, and landmarks. No matter how much you zoom in, they stay crisp and clear. Cool, right? Now let's talk about raster data. Picture a satellite image. It's made up of a grid of tiny squares called pixels. Each pixel holds information, and together they form the complete image. Unlike vector data, raster images can lose quality when you zoom in or resize them. That's why when you zoom in too much, they get all blurry and pixelated. Common examples? Satellite images and aerial photos like TIFFs and JPEGs. So, when should you use each type? Use vector data for features that need to stay sharp at any scale, like roads or boundaries. And go with raster data for detailed images, like satellite photos, where you need a rich array of information. Remember, both types have their strengths and weaknesses, and knowing when to use each can make your GIS projects look amazing. Let's quickly go over the advantages and disadvantages of each. Vector data is highly precise, scalable, and great for detailed mapping of features like roads and boundaries. However, it can be complex to create and manage, especially for intricate shapes. Raster data is excellent for detailed images, and is easier to process for complex analyses. But it can lose quality when zoomed in and often requires more storage space. Understanding these pros and cons will help you choose the right type of data for your GIS projects.